Hey everyone, I'm showing this year and doing Hard Mario with Josh Papinoa. And we need to get our Mario skills back. Back in action. Almost, yeah. Almost there. Yeah. No, don't press that. Oh, Slayer Boston's going. Hi, Slayer Boston. Okay. Dude. Okay.
What is it?
I don't know. Some level I found. Okay.
Oh, dang it, I almost made it.
Yeah. This is hard.
Oh, dang it. No, what's the ranking? Oh. And you jumped into it.
Yeah.
Oh, dang it, I almost made it.
This is hard. No wonder they call it Hard Mario. Okay, we got this.
This is really hard, isn't it?
Oh, nice.
Oh, I did it.
Henry, what are you doing? Sorry.
Oh, God.
My dog got stuck behind the TV.
Oh, dang it. How did you get that first try?
I have no idea.
Oh, this is good. I tried to speedrun it. Okay, that time I just jumped too late.
Yeah.
I mean, too early.
Yeah. Same thing. Okay.
Okay.
No.
By the way, I have my dog here.
Oh, cool.
That's why I'm saying up. Level 4. Hey, dude,
Oh.
see my new avatar?
Yeah, sure. Whoa.
Do you know what that's from?
Wait, your PlayStation avatar?
Yeah.
Sword Art or whatever? I forget what it's called.
No, it's not Sword Art. It's Attack on Titan.
Oh, cool.
Eren Yeager, the main character.
Whoa.
Oh God! As soon as they popped up, I was like, nope. Oh God! What? They just pop out of nowhere. It scares me.
Okay. So,
Well, that was a complete fail. Oh,
What?
come on.
how did you even die? I messed it up.
I was about to jump. Oh, no, wait,
Oh, nice.
oh, come on.
What are you doing?
I suck at parkour.
Oh, I know what to do.
This game. Wait, what? How do you even do this?
Grab onto it.
What?
The, things that are falling.
Oh, dude, that's actually cool.
Yeah.
Oh, dude.
It's hard, though.
Dang it, dude, I thought I was going to get it.
I wonder. There, get it. Guys, no! Let go!
You. Oh, I got it.
Jasper, grab onto one. Oh my gosh.
Jasper, grab onto it. Oh, God, no.
I'm one-handing, I don't know why. My God. Whoa.
Oh, God. Oh, you're dead.
Yeah. Oh gosh. It's hard. We're doing this on YouTube, by the way. I don't know if anybody cares.
Wait, you're doing this on YouTube?
Yeah.
Wait, Wait, we're in a video right now?
Yes. Yes. Did you ever make your Banana Boss channel? Or no?
No, I'm trying to make it.
Okay. What? How'd you die?
Exactly.
Uh,
Well. Leave Banana Boss. Is like going. Leave Banana Boss.
what the heck? What was that sound?
Old man. I'm just waiting. Maybe I used too much food.
What? Oh, it actually could be it.
It actually could be possible.
Yeah. And that's how we died, I guess.
What are the noises I am making? Nope.
No.
I wasted too much time. I would have been dead.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you beat Jasper Pinoy? Yes, yes
I
you did.
can. Somehow that did not kill me. It would be funny if I just suicided there. Oh no!
Come on, guys.
Dude, I keep on sounding like an old man.
Yes.
Oh, what? No!
Once one of them did not respawn. It was so annoying.
Dude, I'm so bad at parkour.
Come on, Jasper. J-Dog. No, it was J-Rock. That's what it was.
He didn't even try. And I completely jumped over the block. Oh, God.
Oh, no.
Yes.
Is this glitch happening again? Yep. It's possible.
Wait, what? How did you make it, but not me?
I don't know. Lucky jump.
Make it for all of us.
No,
Make it for all of us. Oh.
it's hard. You just gotta time it just right.
Do you guys want to play a different level now?
Yeah.